channel Power S Vlog. 2 days before I had a big surprise, that is my new car, so let's go and see it. So this is our new car, Honda City 2019 model, so let us see the outer view. I like this alloy wheel, this is actually superb. And the thing I like so much is this tail lamp. This is actually fantastic. But still it is an extra fitting. So now let us see the inside view. This is the interior view. So this is full touch and we are having many options and navigation too. So this is for AC and this is also touch, and now we are having power outlet, HDMI port, USB 2 ports and 2 cup holders, and this is a manual gear. Now there's a button start. This is a button start engine. It has a superb extra fitting feature, that is the music system, and it has an amplifier and subwoofer that creates the music excellent. Let's see it. I'm playing the music. And I will show you the deck and the subwoofer. So this is the subwoofer, and it's having big space. So let me close this. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടമെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും കൂടെ ചെയ്യുക.